Hi, my name is Mark Ironson, and I thought I'd do this quick video on selecting a mentor. A mentor that could help you, because working by ourselves when we're self-employed, that can be lonely as well as challenging. And we'll come across situations that seem insurmountable. You can feel stuck. The situation could cause worry, or you run out of energy. You feel disillusioned, and you're definitely not motivated to do anything when you're in one of them sort of states or moods. So as time goes by, and if you're still no further forward, you can talk to others, but they don't understand what the experience you're having. And so what do we do? What do we do? Well, before you reach that situation where everyone around you is not understanding what you're doing, then I would suggest you get someone who's been there, that's gone through the challenges, that knows the ins and outs of the topic, such as in property. Imagine the relief when you have this first chat with someone that could become your mentor or your coach. Certain questions need to be answered prior to engaging this person. That you'd be paying for the knowledge, of course, and expertise, but you need to find someone who matches or understands your vision, understands where you want to go, and knows the type of market you're in and the type of deals you want to do, and what you want to do with your business. Because let's think long term, let's think generationally speaking. Let's not think of ourselves what we want. Maybe your first step is getting out of work, or your first step is financial robustness or financial freedom. But let's think what you're going to do for the kids, what you're going to do for their kids. So what you're going to do with the business, the direction and the journey you want to travel in, and who will be there to guide you through your journey. So finding this coach or this mentor can prove invaluable, and it will save you time, energy, and money. So once you find them, keep them close, use them as best you can, and I wish you all the best in property.